Hello, and welcome to the Zenara tablet remote tutorial. Today, I am going to walk you through the ins and outs of the Zenara tablet to better understand how to use it to get the most out of your massage chair. This video is going to be split into 4 different parts: remote layout and functions, using an auto program, building a manual program, and pairing Bluetooth devices. Let's begin by turning on the tablet remote by pressing and holding the power button located at the bottom center of the tablet. This will boot up the tablet remote. The tablet has a central display area that shows a figure of the body, along with indicators for things like time remaining, mechanism position, active airbags, and heat. Certain sections in the central display will light up or highlight when you activate them with the buttons, providing visual feedback on your selections. Surrounding the central screen are all the buttons you'll use. Starting on the left side of the tablet, you'll find the Auto Program categories. These are buttons for Full Body, Demo, Focused, Gentle, Deep Sleep, and All Air. Each category has one or more preset programs. To select one, just press the category button repeatedly to cycle through the available options. A program number will appear on the display indicating which program is selected. For example, pressing Full Body once starts the Full Body program. Press again for Refreshing, and again for Relaxing. We recommend trying each program to see what feels best for you. Let's go over each category. Full Body offers a selection of 6 programs oriented towards overall massages with Full Body, Refreshing, Relaxing, Sport Care, Deep Stretch, and Spine Care programs. Moving to the Demo category. Pressing once starts Demo 1 with Audio, a guided showcase of the chair's full body massage capabilities, where you experience a variety of techniques and features in one short session. Press again for Demo 2 without audio, an alternate demonstration highlighting key functions of the chair, ideal for first-time users exploring what the chair can do. Under Focused, there's Neck and Shoulder, which targets body tension with focused techniques to relieve tightness in the neck, shoulders, and upper back. Waist and Back targets the mid and lower back with focused motions designed to relieve tension and support core comfort. And Glutes, which focuses on the hips and glutes with precise pressure to ease muscle tension and enhance overall lower body comfort. The Gentle category has just one program, which delivers soft, soothing movements ideal for light relaxation and stress relief. Deep Sleep also has one program, focused on slow, calming motions to relax the body and prepare you for deep, restorative rest. Finally, All Air surrounds your body with rhythmic air compression for a soothing, full-body squeeze that relaxes muscles and improves circulation. We recommend trying each program to see what feels best for you. Just below the auto categories on the left, there are quick access buttons. The Air Zone button lets you turn on and off the airbag compression therapy. Tap repeatedly to cycle through the available zones. Tap once for shoulders, tap again for arms, again for calves, and again for feet. Tapping a 5th time will turn the massage therapy off. Below Air Zone is Air Intensity. This button lets you adjust the intensity of the airbag compression therapy. Tap repeatedly to cycle through the intensity levels. Next is the Bluetooth and LED button. Tap this button to turn Bluetooth on or off. Tap and hold the button to turn on or off the chromotherapy lighting on the side of the chair. Note, Bluetooth is enabled by default. We will go over pairing your Bluetooth device in part 4 of this tutorial. Below that is the Voice Broadcasting button. Tap this button to turn on or off the voice announcements of your selected programs, options, and settings through the chair speakers. The Time button will adjust your massage session length in increments of 5 minutes, starting with 10 minutes. Tap repeatedly to choose between 10, 15, 20, 25, or 30 minutes. Tap again to return to 10 minutes. Next is Heating. Tap this button to turn the lumbar heating on or off. Heating warms the lower back to relax muscles, improves comfort, and enhances overall massage relief. Next is the Power Play Pause button. Tap and hold the power button to turn on the chair. Tap again to pause the current massage, and tap again to resume the massage. Tap and hold the button to power down and reset the chair entirely. Next is the Foot Roller button. The foot roller button will adjust the foot rollers that target the soles of the feet. Press to cycle through the foot roller intensities, with 1 being slow, 2 and 3 being fast, or press again to turn the foot rollers off completely. Below foot roller is the 0G button. The 0G or zero gravity button lets you cycle through 3 recline positions. Press once for zero gravity 1, a relaxing zero gravity position. Press again for zero gravity 2, a slightly increased recline, and again for zero gravity 3, a deep zero gravity position with even more immersion that elevates your feet up over your heart to improve overall circulation and reduce gravitational force on your spine for a sense of weightlessness. Press once more to turn zero gravity off and return to the upright position. Next are the back up and back down buttons. Use these buttons to recline or raise the backrest. Press and hold to continuously move the backrest up or down, adjusting to your comfort or reclining into the zero gravity position. Use the roller up and roller down arrow buttons to move the back mechanism up or down along the track during the body scan or a manual massage in point or partial modes. We will go over these later in this video. Now that we've covered the tablet layout, let's move on to personalizing and taking control of some features within an auto program. Start by pressing an auto category button to cycle to your desired program. For this example, we're going to pick relaxing under full body. Once selected, the chair will do a TrueFit body scan. After a massage program is selected, you'll enter the body scanning mode to ensure an accurate massage that fits your body. During this process, it's important to remain seated back into the chair without lifting your head. When the shoulder adjust icon starts blinking or you hear the chair's audio cue, use the up or down arrows on the right to adjust the mechanism to match your specific shoulder height for that perfect fit. Note, if you decide to stop during the body scan and turn the massage chair off, simply press the power button. This will reset the chair back to its upright position. After adjusting your shoulder height, the central display will show all the current settings and session information. The figure in the center shows a visual representation of the massage program that's currently running. The mechanism position dot indicates where the rollers are along the track. The blue highlights on the figure's body show the active airbags currently compressing, and the heat icon indicates if the lumbar heat is on or off. The foot roller icon will light up when the foot rollers are active. Around the figure, sections will light up based on what's active. On the top right is the Bluetooth icon, which appears when a device is currently connected to the massage chair's Bluetooth speakers. Below that are the technique icons, one for each massage technique this chair offers. There's kneading, knocking, tapping, clapping, shiatsu, and rolling, each blinking as the massage technique is being performed. To the left of the techniques is the indicator for the range of motion of the back mechanism, showing whole, partial, or point selection. Below that is the mechanism width indicator, showing current massage width of narrow, medium, or wide. To the bottom left of the figure is the leg rest and backrest up or down indicator, which blinks when the chair's backrest is going up or down. Next is the zero gravity recline, which appears when the chair is in any of the zero gravity positions. Above that is the foot roller speed indicator, with the 4 speed options reflected by the number of bars that are visible: 2 for slow, 4 for medium, and 6 for fast, and none for off. Next is airbag intensity indicator, showing current airbag intensity of 1, 2, 3, or off. Above airbag intensity is the mechanism roller speed indicator, showing current massage speed of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. Next is the pause icon. This will appear when your massage is paused. Above pause is the indicator for the time remaining in the massage, displayed in minutes. To the left of that is the auto program number indicator, showing the program number that is currently running. To the top of the figure is the chromotherapy light icon. This displays when chromotherapy lights are on. Finally, to the right is the voice broadcasting icon, displaying when the voice feedback function is turned on. Now, let's continue to personalize your auto massage by using the buttons around the tablet. To change the airbag regions affected by the auto program, press the Air Zone button. Press repeatedly to cycle through shoulder, arm, calf, feet, or full body to activate all the airbags in the massage chair. Let's choose calves to focus on the legs. To adjust the air massage intensity of the selected region, press the Air Intensity button. Press repeatedly to cycle through set levels, from 1 for lightest to 3 for firmest, or press again to select Air Massage Off. All auto massages are pre-programmed to have varying levels of airbag intensity. This setting will adjust the maximum level of these fluctuations. Let's choose 2 for a medium maximum intensity. Now, let's choose the speed of our massage. Press the Speed button to change the massage speed of the back rollers, 1 being a slow massage to 6 being fast. Let's choose 2. Now, let's explore the manual settings in detail to build your own massage sequence. These controls let you fully customize your own massage and find the perfect treatment for you. To start, press the Manual Massage button on the right. This will activate the corresponding icon in the central display and begin the massage. You can keep pressing to cycle through all the available massage techniques that this chair offers that we went over earlier. Let's select Knocking. Next, press the Speed button to increase or decrease the speed of the back mechanism. Cycle from 1 for slow up to 6 for fast, adjusting the speed of the massage mechanism's movement. Let's select 3 for a moderate pace. With the technique selected, let's choose the massage area from the Whole, Point, and Partial buttons. Whole button sets the massage to travel the entire length of the track from neck to glutes. Partial travels a short distance and reverses direction for focused relief, and Point stops on the track for targeted relief. Let's press Partial. Once selected, use the up and down arrows below to adjust the back rollers along the track. The central figure will show the position updating as you press and hold to move the massage mechanism up or down. To change the width of the back rollers, press the Width button. We can cycle between narrow, medium, or wide, which will increase or decrease the width of the back mechanism accordingly. Let's select Medium. Note that width can only be adjusted in knocking, tapping, and shiatsu techniques. Let's also change our massage time to 30 minutes by pressing the Time button at the bottom to cycle through the options. For the air settings, let's turn on the air massage by pressing the Air Zone button and cycling through between shoulder, arm, calf, feet, and full body. Let's pick full body. This will highlight those areas on the central figure and start the air compression massage in all airbag regions. Now, press the Air Intensity button, and cycling through the levels, let's choose Level 3 air pressure intensity. This will help to release that tension throughout the body. Let's also press the Foot Roller button for Speed 2, which targets the soles with rolling motion at a moderate pace, and press Heating to apply gentle warmth to the lumbar region. You can keep layering these selections to build your own custom massage sequence. Remember, pressing a technique first will start the massage. Then you can add or adjust features like zero gravity, chromotherapy, or backrest recline at any time. Now let's pair your phone to the chair so you can play and enjoy your favorite songs, audiobooks, podcasts, and more through the chair's Bluetooth speakers. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled by pressing the Bluetooth and LED button on the tablet. An audio cue will confirm that the chair's Bluetooth function is on. Now make sure you have Bluetooth enabled on your device. Your device should automatically detect the massage chair around you. Select Zenara in the Available Devices section of your Bluetooth settings and confirm that the connection went through. Now you should be connected to the chair's speakers, and you're ready to enjoy your favorite music. Now that you understand the settings, layout, and functions of the remote control tablet, you can fully enjoy your Infinity Zenara massage chair and truly maximize your massages. Thank you for being a part of the Infinity family.